Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a link in your Behance project. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser, go to behance.net and make sure to sign into your account. Now for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and share my work. So I'm going to share a project. Now from here, I'm just going to add a text block. So I'm just going to put text in here. So for this demonstration, I'm going to put in my YouTube channel. So that's my channel's name. And now to insert a link, I'm just going to go ahead and copy it and then click on the link button. And now I'm going to paste that link here from my YouTube channel. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on done. And now that's going to link it. So when I go ahead and open that in a new tab, that's going to send me straight to my YouTube channel after I publish it. So now if I scroll down here, I can go ahead and click continue. And then I can upload a cover image if I like, fill out project titles, click publish. Now when people come to my project, they'll click on my name and that's going to send them to my YouTube channel.